Welcome to this glorious day. Today we're exploring a somatic yoga practice for those areas of fascia that we habitually hold, whether due to life or emotions, the shoulders, hips, neck, spine. It's here for you whenever you need a reset. Join me in a seated pose. I have one block with me today. So if you have a prop, maybe have a seat on it to support your back and your hips. Let your eyes wander around the space you're in. And now allow your gaze to soften on something neutral. And continue to take in the surroundings. Maybe name 3 or 4 things you see without needing to analyze them. Let your eyes and your attention move slowly. Rocks, ocean, sky, flowers. Your turn. Rest one hand over your heart and listen inward. Notice what your body might be asking for today. Feel the steady presence of your breath beneath your palms. And I invite you to set an intention, something you might not choose, but you might discover. Release your hand down, turn towards the left short edge of your mat. Come onto your hands and knees and sit back onto your heels. Take your block into your belly, and if you don't have a block, simply fold forward, melting into a child's pose. Inhaling slowly, about 3 counts. And exhale, surrender the breath, 3 counts. Inhaling through your nose. Exhale gently, let it go through your nose. Experiment with 3 or 4 more breaths, simply allowing your tissues to sigh. Let's press into the earth. Come on up. Move forward onto your hands and knees. You can take your block with you. Let's step the left foot to the outside of our hands and keep the right leg in a long lunge. Toes are untucked. Now I'm walking my hands onto a block and turning towards the right long edge of the mat. Lifting your heart and finding some rotation through the hips and the chest. Inhale, guide your hips slowly up and back. Let your body move from a place of awareness rather than habit. And then exhale, release them back into the earth. Inhale, hips lift. Exhale and release. Once more, inhale, lift. Exhale, release, and find some rotation. Lift your heart, maybe soften your gaze or shut down the eyes. And notice where softness naturally wants to emerge in this pose. Release the pose, turning and pivoting on your back knee, facing the long edge of your mat. Step your right foot into the earth and pivot all the way over to the right short edge of the mat. Coming into the same pose on your right side, both hands come to the inside of your right foot. I'm taking my hands back on top of that block on the outside edge of the mat. Inhale, hips come on up. Exhale, melt them down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Do that one more time. And on your exhale, invite in some stillness. Bring your hips back, press your hands into the earth, pivot towards the long edge of your mat, and come all the way around to the left short edge of the mat. Come onto your hands and knees and bring your hips back towards your feet. Bring a block in front of you. Allow your hands to walk forward and gently melt your heart down towards the earth. Rest your forehead or maybe your chin on the block. Inhale, come on up onto your hands, and as you exhale, melt down into the block again. Do that 2 or maybe 3 more times on your own. Think of a furry friend getting comfortable, just moving onto the hands and knees, and then descending back down into your melting heart. 1 or 2 more of these. When you're ready, we're going to move into a little bit of stillness. Play with the block in the pose. Maybe take your hips back and place your chin on the block. For more sensation, bring your hips forward and up and maybe tuck your toes under. I have the block under my chin on the high level, the medium level, or the low level, or of course, you're welcome to put your chin into the earth below. Let your breath expand across the chest, the ribs, and the spaces between the shoulders and the back of the heart. Now, in this moment, let your body receive the message that it is supported. Inhale, guide your right arm back and place it on your sacrum. And then exhale, release it down back into the earth in front of you. Inhale, lift the left arm, take it back right above the sacrum. Exhale and return it back. Inhale, turn your head to the right, left facial cheek on the mat or a prop. Right hand comes back to the sacrum. Now allow your body to melt into stillness. Let your awareness travel from your space back into your body. Let's change sides. Right arm comes forward. Lift your chest and look over to your left side. Left arm reaches back like a big wing. Take it behind you onto your low back, your sacrum. Take your left arm back forward in front of you. Now place your forehead or your chin on the block. Inhale, come onto your fingertips like little spider hands. And exhale, release your palms back down into the earth. 2 or 3 more times. Inhale, come onto your fingertips. Forearms lengthen. Exhale and release. Inhale. Press onto your fingertips. Exhale and soften. And get curious. One more time. Do it and notice. And then release. Press into your hands. Come on up. Let's crisscross the legs underneath us. Come onto your backside. Take your right leg over your left and drop both legs up and over to your left side, coming into a spinal twist. Open your heart, twist, and gaze to your right. Now on your in-breath, gently drop both legs down a little further, lifting the right hip up. Exhale and release. Inhale, both knees gently tick-tock over. And exhale, soften. And do that once, maybe twice more. Just play with it. Mobilizing the fascia and seeing where you uniquely hold tension. And then see what surfaces and be present with it. Notice. Find the stillness. And then find a way to find ease in the pose. Let's guide both knees up towards center. Right foot comes down and left leg comes on top. Both knees drape up and over to the right and your heart opens to the left. Connect to your next in-breath and see if the knees will go down just a tiny bit further. And then exhale, lift them back up. And be playful with this and curious. Inhale, guide the legs just a little further. And then exhale, let it go. Now once, maybe 2 more times. And then let yourself merge into the stillness where those edges begin to blur. And everything starts to permeate to different levels through the body, the nervous system, the fascia, the soul. Move back towards center, uncross your legs. Extend both legs out. Begin gently tapping your belly. As you tap, imagine creating a little more space and fluidity through the tissues of the belly and your digestive organs. Light fingertips, slaps, or even fists moving from the lower abdomen up into your chest. Find a nice, easy rhythm, stimulating your vagus nerve before we settle into Shavasana. Now allow your body to become completely still, extending the legs any way that feels comfortable, and let your feet fall open. Allow your arms to melt down by your sides and feel the earth supporting you. Notice you don't have to hold yourself up. Allow the jaw to soften and the tongue to simply rest. Find some ease in the space between the eyebrows. Let the shoulders become heavy and the belly soften. There's nowhere to go and nothing to fix. Simply be here. Begin to deepen your breath. Feel the space around you. Press your feet into the earth, bending both knees, gently windshield wipe them from side to side. And then gradually sway them all the way over to one side. Come into a little ball and pause here for a moment. Gradually make your way up to a comfy seated pose. And bring one or both hands to your chest, feeling your heart, and send out gratitude for your body and all that it does and carries. Now press the palms together in Anjali Mudra, and then up to your third eye. Om Shanti, 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 Namaste. If you'd like more support on your wellness journey, I welcome you into our YouTube membership and Patreon membership, where you'll find over 130 exclusive classes and programs. And if you're not quite ready for a membership, be sure to check out my 6-month somatic wellness calendar, a simple guided way to stay consistent with your practice. If you're ready for more classes just like this, please comment below. Somatic Yoga. Namaste, beautiful friends.